Do you know how to convert improper fractions to a mixed number? That's what we're learning in today's lesson. These are the steps on how to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. 1. Divide the numerator by the denominator. 2. Write down the whole number result. 3. Use the remainder as the numerator over the denominator. And this is the fraction part of the mixed number. Here are the 6 examples. Convert each improper fraction to a mixed number. Give it a try and play the video whenever you're ready for the solutions. Question 1. 29 over 4. Step 1 is to divide the numerator by the denominator. So we will have 4 as the divisor and 29 is our dividend. How many 4s can go into 29? 7. 7 times 4 is 28. And subtracting 29 and 28, we will have a remainder of 1. So 7 is the whole number. The remainder 1 is the numerator. And divisor is 4. So the equivalent of 29 over 4 in mixed number is 7 and 1/4. Question number 2. 41 over 6. Step 1 is to divide the numerator by the denominator. So our divisor is 6 and the dividend is 41. How many 6 can go into 41? 6 times. 6 times 6 is 36, and subtracting 36 from 41, we will have a remainder of 5. So the whole number is 6, and the remainder 5 is the numerator, and 6 is our denominator. So 41 over 6 is equivalent to 6 and 5 over 6 in mixed number. Question number 3. 25 over 9. Step 1 is to divide the numerator by the denominator 9. So our divisor is 9, and the dividend is 25. How many 9s can go into 25? 2, right? 2 times 9 is 18, and subtracting 18 from 25, we will have a remainder of 7. So the answer 2 is the whole number. The remainder 7 is the numerator, and our denominator is 9. So 25 over 9 is equivalent to 2 and 7 9s in mixed number. Question 4. 32 over 7. Dividing 32 by 7, our divisor is 7, our dividend is 32. How many 7s can go into 32? 4, right? 4 times 7 is 28, and subtracting 32 minus 28, we will have a remainder of 4. So the whole number is 4, the remainder is 4, so that is our numerator, and denominator is 7. So 32 over 7 is equivalent to 4 and 4/7 in mixed number. Question 5. 83 over 11. Dividing this fraction, 11 is our divisor, and 83 is our numerator. How many 11s can go into 83? 7, right? 7 times 11 is 77, and 83 minus 77 is 6. So the whole number is 7. The remainder 6 is our numerator, and denominator is 11. So 83 over 11 is equivalent to 7 and 6/11 in mixed number. Question 6. 40 over 12. Dividing this fraction, our divisor is 12, and dividend is 40. How many 12s can go into 40? 3, right? 3 times 12 is 36. Now we subtract 40 minus 36, and the remainder is 4. The whole number is 3. The remainder 4 is our numerator, and denominator is 12. So we have 3 and 4 twelfths. Do you notice anything here? Notice that 4 over 12 can be simplified further. The fraction 4 over 12 can be reduced. Both numbers can be divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 4 twelfths is equivalent to 1/3 in simplest form. So the final answer for number 6 is 3 and 1/3. Do you know how to convert mixed numbers into improper fractions? These are the steps on how to convert mixed number to an improper fraction. 1. Multiply the whole number part by the fraction's denominator. 2. Add that answer to the numerator. And third, write the result on top of the denominator. Here are the 6 examples. Convert each mixed number to an improper fraction. Give it a try and play the video whenever you're ready for the solutions. Example number 1, 5 and 3/4. Step 1 is to multiply the whole number 5 and the denominator 4, and 5 times 4 is 20. Step 2 is to add that 20 to the numerator 3, and 20 plus 3 is 23. And we will write the answer as 23 over the denominator 4. So the answer is 23 over 4. Question number 2. 7 and 2/9. Step 1 is to multiply the whole number 7 and the denominator 9, and 7 times 9 is 63. Then we will add that 63 to the numerator 2, and that is 65. So the answer is 65 over the denominator 9. Question 3. 4 and 6/11. Step 1 is to multiply the whole number in the denominator 11, and 4 times 11 is 44. Next, we will add the 44 to the numerator 6, and 44 plus 6 is 50. So we will write the answer as 50 over the denominator 11. So 50 over 11 is the answer. Question 4. 8 and 1/10. Step 1 is to multiply the whole number 8 and the denominator 10, and 8 times 10 is 80. Next, we will add that 80 to the numerator 1, and 80 plus 1 is 81. So we will write the fraction as 81 over the denominator 10. So 81 over 10 is the final answer. Question 5. 6 and 3/5. Step 1 is to multiply the whole number 6 by the denominator 5, which is 30. And we will add a 30 to the numerator 3, and 30 plus 3 is 33. So we will have 33 over the denominator 5. So the answer is 33 over 5. Question number 6. 8 and 4/5. Step 1 is to multiply the whole number 8 and denominator 5. 8 times 5 is 40. Next, we will add the 40 to the numerator 4, and 40 plus 4 is 44. So the numerator is 44, and denominator is 5. So the equivalent of 8 and 4/5 in improper fraction is 44 over 5. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel at Celzo Academy. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel at Celzo Academy.